Hello learners. Now we can move to accounting equation. In this lesson, we will study the meaning of accounting equation, importance of accounting equation, and you will be able to point out the effect of each aspect of a transaction on the accounting equation. Then you will be able to prepare accounting equation from given transactions. The recording of business transaction in books of accounts is based on a fundamental equation called accounting equation. And what does this equation express? The equality of assets on one side and the claim of outsiders, that is liabilities, and owners claim, that is capital, on the other side. So, assets equals liabilities and capital. Here we can express mathematically accounting equation in this form. Assets equals liabilities plus capital. Here equity means capital. Assets, whether it is increasing or decreasing, liabilities, whether it is increasing or decreasing, it will have the same effect how accounting equation expresses. That is, assets will always be equal to liability and capital, even if the asset increase or decrease or liability increase or decrease. I am going to one transaction. Sunita started business by contributing rupees 2 lakh as capital. Now let us study how this is affecting the accounting equation. Started business with capital, that is cash is coming in the business. So I have given here in the equation cash equals capital. 2 lakh rupees cash is invested in the form of capital. So in the accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus capital. Under asset side you can include cash. And in the capital also there is a same amount increase. So asset equals liabilities plus capital, that is cash equals capital. Let us study the effect of transaction on another situation. Sunita purchased furniture for rupees 20,000 and machinery for rupees 60,000. Here under assets you can include furniture and machinery and cash. And there is an increase of rupees 20,000 under furniture. And there is an increase of machinery of rupees 60,000. So asset is increased to 20,000 and 60,000. That is 80,000. And when you are purchasing means here in this transaction the name of the party is not included. So it is a cash transaction. So when you are purchasing furniture, what is going from the business? How much amount of cash is going? That is 20,000 plus 60,000, that is 80,000 rupees. Cash is going. So from the earlier equation, that is 2 lakh is given as if earlier equation. Then along with that, what will be the effect of this transaction on this equation? So I have included 2 lakh minus 80,000. 80,000 cash is going from the business because of this transaction. So cash balance in the new equation will come to 1,20,000. And furniture is increasing to rupees 20,000 and machinery is increasing to rupees 60,000. Next transaction, Sunita introduces rupees 50,000 as additional capital. Earlier equation is 2 lakh equals 1,20,000 plus 20,000 plus 60,000. Cash plus furniture plus machinery. And here when she introduces 50,000 as additional capital, cash is increasing. That is plus 50,000 in the cash column you can write. As additional capital, this cash is coming. So, in the capital column, rupees 50,000 is increasing. So, the new accounting equation will be 2 lakh plus 50,000 is 2 lakh 50,000 equals cash of 1 lakh 70,000, furniture of 20,000 and machinery of 60,000. Here I am giving another transaction. Rahul started business by introducing 3 lakh as capital. He also invested 2 lakh rupees which he borrowed from Shweta. So, this borrowing is a liability or loan from Shweta. So, capital is introduced in the form of cash, rupees 3 lakh plus 2 lakh. That is 5 lakh is coming in the business as cash and capital 3 lakh and loan 2 lakh. Cash equals capital plus liabilities, that is asset equals capital plus liabilities. Another transaction, earlier accounting equation is given, cash 5 lakh equals 3 lakh plus liabilities 2 lakh. Then another transaction, Rahul purchases goods for cash rupees 50,000. Goods are coming inside the business for rupees 50,000. So, under goods column, goods will be included under asset. So, under goods column, rupees 50,000 is increased. Goods are purchased for cash means cash is going from the business. So, minus 50,000 in the cash column. So, new accounting equation will be in the cash column 5 lakh minus 50,000, that is 4 lakh 50,000 plus another asset goods 50,000 equals capital plus liabilities, that is 3 lakh plus 2 lakh. Rahul paid Shweta rupees 50,000. Rahul has taken loan. So, loan of rupees 50,000 is paid. So, what is going from the business? Cash is going from the business. That is minus 50,000. Loan has been reduced by rupees 50,000. So, I have written in the cash column minus 50,000 and in the liability column minus 50,000. New accounting equation is under cash 4 lakh 50,000 minus 50,000 4 lakh. Cash 4 lakh plus goods 50,000 equals capital 3 lakh plus loan or liabilities 1 lakh 50,000. Another example, Rajni started business with cash 5 lakh and introduced as capital. Cash under cash column, cash will come under asset. So, under cash column 5 lakh, capital 5 lakh. Rajni purchased furniture for cash. So, furniture being an asset, it can be included as another column. Furniture is another column and purchase furniture for cash. So, cash is going from the business. So, I have written minus 50,000 in the cash column. Effect of this transaction, minus 50,000 in the cash column and plus 50,000 in the furniture column. So, assets equals liabilities plus capital, here also it is equal on both sides. That is cash 4 lakh 50,000 plus furniture 50,000, that is 5 lakh equals capital 5 lakh. Rajni purchased goods for cash. Here goods can be included under assets. Purchase goods for cash rupees 10,000. So, cash is going, so minus 10,000, effect of this transaction in the cash column, plus 10,000 in the goods column. So, new accounting equation is 4 lakh 40,000 as cash plus furniture 50,000 plus goods 10,000. So, that will come to 5 lakh on the asset side. In the liability side, that is capital plus liabilities as capital 5 lakh. So, here also accounting equation is satisfied. Rajni purchased goods from Rohit, rupees 40,000. Goods worth rupees 40,000 is coming inside the business. It is a credit transaction because name of the party is given. So, under liabilities we can include creditors. So, goods worth 40,000, so plus 40,000 you have to write as the effect of the transaction in the goods column. And creditors also increased because this is a credit purchase. So, plus 40,000 under creditors column. So, under assets I have included cash, furniture, goods. Then on the other side, capital and liabilities. Under liabilities you can include creditors. So, new accounting equation is like this: 4,40,000 cash plus furniture 50,000 plus goods 50,000. That is 5,40,000 on the asset side equals capital 5 lakh plus 40,000 creditors or liabilities. Next is Rajni sold goods to Rahul for rupees 20,000, costing rupees 15,000. Here, cost price of the goods should be deducted in the goods column. For how much amount goods are sold? Goods are sold for rupees 20,000. So, from Rahul, debtor 20,000 is coming inside the business. Rahul being a debtor is included under assets. So, another column debtors are included under assets. And in that column you have to add 20,000. And selling prices 20,000, cost prices 15,000. Selling price is more than the cost price. By how much amount it is? More. 20,000 minus 15,000 is 5,000. So, that is a gain. Plus 5,000 is added with capital. So, new accounting equation will be 4,40,000 cash, 50,000 furniture, goods 35,000, debtors 20,000. So, asset side will include these items. In the liabilities side, we can include capital and liabilities. So, capital of rupees 5,05,000 and liabilities 40,000. So, here also accounting equation is satisfied. Rajni paid salaries to clerk. Paid salaries means cash is going from the business, capital is also reducing. In the cash column, minus 12,000 and in the capital column, deduct rupees 12,000. So, new accounting equation is 4,28,000 cash, 50,000 furniture, goods 35,000, debtors 20,000 equals capital 4,93,000 and liabilities 40,000. Another transaction, Rajni paid cash to Rohit. Cash is going from the business and liability is decreasing. In the cash column, deduct 20,000 and liability column, deduct 20,000. In the first line, we have old equation. In the second line, the effect of the transaction. And in the last line, new accounting equation. That is cash 4,08,000 plus 50,000 furniture plus goods 35,000, debtors 20,000 equals capital 4,93,000 and liabilities 20,000. Let us discuss the combinations of the equations. The interrelationship between assets, liabilities and capital can be expressed into various forms. Increase in asset and increase in capital can be shown in a transaction like started business with cash. So, cash is increasing, capital is increasing. Another transaction, goods purchased on credit. Goods are coming inside the business, so there is an increase in asset. Purchased on credit, creditors increase, so increase in liabilities. Cash withdrawn from the business by the proprietor for personal use. That is in the form of drawings. When cash is withdrawn, capital is reduced. So, decrease in capital and in asset, there will be a column cash and under cash you have to reduce that much amount that is withdrawn from the business for the personal use of the proprietor. So, decrease in asset. Cash paid to creditors. Cash is going from the business, so there is a decrease in asset, and liability is also decreasing. Furniture purchased by cash or goods purchased by cash. How is it affecting the accounting equation? Furniture is increasing, so increase in asset. Purchased for cash, cash is going, so there is decrease in asset. Interest on capital. Increase in capital and decrease in capital. In the capital column itself, you will add the same amount and you will deduct the same amount. Wages due but not paid or outstanding wages. Outstanding wages is a liability. So, there is increase in liability and decrease in the capital. In the accounting equation, what can be the rules? When capital is increased, it is added, and when some part of the capital is withdrawn in the form of drawings, it is deducted in the capital column. Income or revenue. Owner's equity is increased by the amount of revenue. Expenses. Owner's equity is decreased by the amount of expenses. When liabilities are increased, outsiders' liabilities are added. When liabilities are decreased, outsiders' liabilities are deducted. Assets. If there is an increase in asset, the increase is added in the asset column or asset account. If there is decrease in asset, it is deducted in the asset column or asset account. So, in this lesson, we have studied the meaning of accounting equation, importance of accounting equation, effect of each aspect of a transaction on the accounting equation, and now you understood the preparation of accounting equation from given transactions. Thank you.